Hi friends, if you are still using Windows 10, then this video is for you. And in this video, I will guide you a simple method through which you can upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So let's start the video. If you didn't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe it on immediate basis. So let's start it. So first of all, you have to go inside the Windows 11 downloads. Simple, just you have to type. There is no rocket science. Just click on to the download on Windows. And once you download it, then you will have this page. So official version 25H2 is available here, and most probably in the month of the October 2026 we will have 26H2. So we will create video on that time and we will see later on. So for time being we have 25H2. It is the official and stable version which is available onto the official website of Microsoft. So you have to scroll down it, then you have to select multi-edition, then confirm, and then you have to select the United States English language. And once it is done, then you have to click onto the download. So downloading will be start instantly. I have already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time. So let me show you the ISO. It is available inside the download folder. Let's cut it, and we are going to paste inside the C drive. Let's create one folder. Then hit enter, double click on it, right click and paste over here. So once it is pasted, then you have to right click on it and you have to extract here. So files has been extracted, and now we have to go inside the command line, run as administrator, navigate the respective folder, dir, type setup / product server. So you will see the setup visit instantly, and wait for seconds. So you can see that setup is being loaded in front of you. So here we have the option. So it is recommended to update right now. So in order to save time, I'm not going for this option. I'm not going with this option, but obviously you can go with this option. In parallel with the installation, your Windows will also update it. So for time being, just I'm going to click onto the node right now and next. We are getting the things ready for you. So it will take around 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. And once it is done, then we will have a second page. Now we have to accept the license. And we have to keep settings and app as it is because we are going to upgrade our Windows 10 to Windows 11. So we are going with the option first. Yes, we need to click on to the install button. Installation will be started instantly. So it would take around 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And once it is done, I will be back. Hi guys, so Windows has been installed successfully and you can see that. So it is working absolutely fine and our data is as it is. So this is the one of the best methods through which you can upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. And hope you like this video. If this video seems informative, then kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.